2015 Yamaha Raider. What's up, guys? This is Caleb from Srkcycles, and I freaking love this bike. I don't know how I feel about these bags, Milwaukee leather bags. I left them on there just because, you know, I want somebody to be able to have bags if they want them. I personally would never put bags on this bike. This bike is way too mean to have bags on it. Look at that big old back tire. It's in perfect shape. I love this gray color, the red stitching on the seat. This bike is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, a little scratch right there, tiny little scratch right there. This bike is absolutely beautiful. Tire treads, great tread depth. Is that a scrape? No. This bike is in amazing shape, guys. Bags are in great shape. Top of the tank is in great shape. Let's see how many miles are on this beast. 1,900 miles. Those are Cobra exhaust on it, guys. They look so good. Guys, this bike is beautiful. 2015 Yamaha Raider. Guys, this bike will not last long. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.